Math 102, example 3.6.1, version B. So we would like to solve rational equations, which means we've got fractions. Now again, fractions are difficult, so I like to try and get rid of the fractions as soon as possible. So here, my technique is I'm going to multiply both sides by the least common denominator, or LCD. Now, if you've only got one denominator, as I do here, then that is our LCD. So let's go ahead and multiply both sides by that LCD. That means it will cancel on the left. That's why we've done that. I always like to take a step to write what's left over, just to help me keep track of things. So at this point, I don't have a denominator, and I should now be able to solve it. So let's distribute. And then let's subtract an x. And let's continue up here because I'm running out of room. Let's subtract the 2. And then dividing, looks like I get x is 1/7. Now, before I box that answer off, I do need to check. Specifically, I want to check if I plug that into my original problem, specifically the denominator, do I get 0? Because we are never allowed to divide by 0. Now here I'll get a nasty denominator when I plug that in, but it won't be 0. And that's really the most important thing. You can check it more thoroughly, and I recommend a calculator just to make it easier. But again, that check for division by 0 is the thing we need to worry about.